What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Anna Does Icons. Today we are going to make this little storefront icon. We're going to do this really quickly, so let's jump right in. First thing to note, I have my key lines already added. This is a 24 by 24 pixel icon. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to build a rectangle by pressing R on our keyboard. I'm going to build it to about this size right here. I can see it lined up exactly. So this is about 3 pixels between. I'm going to take the 2 points. I'm going to take this one and then drag it in by 2. Same thing with this side, drag it in by 2. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to press O on our keyboard and we're going to create those flaps. So we're going to hold shift and we're going to make an 8 by 8 circle. We're going to match the circle up to this corner of the end of the rectangle. So it's going to be centered. We're going to grab the arc of the circle and we're going to drag it to sweep 50%. As you can see up here in the design panel, it says 50%. The next thing we're going to do is take the ratio and we're going to bring it all the way down to 100. You can see down here, and you can also see it in the design panel. So now we have one flap. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to press Command D twice. I'm going to move one flap right into the center and one flap all the way to the end, making sure that we have 2 pixels in between each of the flaps so we know it's completely equal. Perfect. So now we have the roof of the storefront done. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to build the building. Now we're going to draw the wall for this. We're going to take the pen tool by pressing P on our keyboard, and we're going to take this little point on the key lines. We're going to draw down all the way to right under the circle, make a point right here, make a point, bring it up, make a point. Now we have the wall, and we're in the square key lines if you have not figured that out yet. The little grayish, tannish, greenish key lines is a square. We're trying to stay within that because the market is more of a square shape. The next thing I'm going to do, and last thing, is we're going to build the door. I'm going to press R on my keyboard. I'm going to build the door, make it a 6 by 7 door. We have 2 pixels in between, 2 pixels on top. If you press Option on your keyboard, you can see that it's centered, 5 and 5 on each side. And there we have it. You have your market. Now, to finish it all off, I'm going to make it into a component. This is something that I do. You can use this plugin if you'd like. Totally up to you. This is a plugin that myself and a friend of mine, Zadek, built together to help icon designers productionize their assets very quickly. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to union this whole object. We're going to select all the pieces inside of it and not the key lines. You go up to the Boolean groups and you press union. We can do it to the other one as well to show you that it works for both at the same time. So what we're going to do is we're going to find Icon Genie, the plugin. I have it in recents. You can find it in search. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to select both of my icons at once. It's the same exact icon, so I can do both at once and name them differently, or I can just select one. For the sake of this, I'll just do both at once because you have your unions and your key lines. This works. I'm going to name it Market and Market 1. Fast way to do that is pressing tab. You can press the tab button to make this go really quickly. After I've named them, I'm going to press generate. And what that does is it makes a live set. And this is for designers. This is to organize your artboards and make it clean for maybe other designers to come in here or clients, and they're not finalized yet. They're just not broken. So as you can see, they are still exactly how we built them. They're unionized. Both of them are. And then you have your flat set. And this flat set is completely scalable. It's production ready, meaning you can export them to development, and they are flattened. And that's it. Thanks for watching me build these exact same market icons. I really appreciate you taking the time. I hope this helps. Have a great day.